Hi guys, just before this vid starts, it's just a quick apology for some of the footage that's coming up. It's a bit shaky, it's a bit all over the place. It's not the greatest, but you know, you can get a little bit of a gist from it. So basically, yeah, this is all in wastegate pressure before I started having issues, which you'll see in a second. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's good fun. But again, I'm going to have to work on my camera skills and get something a little bit more steady for you guys to see. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing splendid today. This will just be a quick video. I've been out and about in the car doing some mapping and stuff like that. I've mapped it to around about a bar of boost, so don't know what power that is. Feels fast, and yeah, it's been wet for the past couple of days, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up the camera and just experiment with sort of camera angles for sort of showing you guys. So Ken Block's coming round. Sorry, not Ken Block, Jock Block. Ken Block's Scottish cousin. He's coming round to have a wee play with the car, and I just kind of watch when he's driving the thing. So yeah, let's set up some cameras and see how the car does. car back, but I think he cooked my wastegate because yeah, it seems to be over boosting like something silly, and the lines look alright, so it's probably cooked it and it's probably stuck shut. This is the power tune dash, by the way. See, all my temps have been working, booster everything's working a treat. So yeah, let's do a wee pull. Yeah, boost cut. Right guys, so yeah, back home again. Car's in one piece. Yeah, so I'm just having a wee look here, and if you guys remember, that wastegate used to be black. And it did turn a bit of a brown colour, but now look at the heat. The heat is absolutely smashed into it. So yeah, I decided what I'll do is I'll get the gun and I'll blow in this hose just to make sure the wastegate was still open. So I'll just pump some air in, and hear that noise? That noise is coming out of this one. So that means the air is going down there through a hole in the diaphragm, obviously, and back up this tube here. So yeah, that'll be why I was getting all the boost, or potentially one of the reasons. So there's obviously a rip in the diaphragm. Now, I ventured on eBay. I found another eBay wastegate for £15 on eBay. So this one, by the looks of things, if you can look in there, like it's got a much thicker stem and stuff. It's still going to be cheap shit, but I'll have a look at the diaphragm, see what kind of condition that's in, because mine was a bit dodgy before. You guys would have seen that, and yeah, check it, man, it's absolutely glowing. Another bit of oil here is from, I forgot to put the AN10 catch can line on, and it's covered in oil. So anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. I will do another video showing you the logs and the differences of the turbo, but that'll be a separate video. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.